Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. I have been putting aside boxes as they come in, so I figured we would do an unboxing today to catch me up on these 3 packages that have just been sitting around waiting for my attention. And I think these are going to be a lot of fun. This one is a Halloween specific box. I don't remember what this one is. And this one I think is different shapes. Instead of just different cuts of glitter, it is actual shapes. So let's start with the shapes. And then when we're all done unboxing, we are going to do a project to use some of this stuff. So here we go. This is from the glitter guy. These are different shapes, and I will try and pour them out here a little bit anyway so you can see them specifically. These are, maybe I'll just do it on my hand. These are Christmas trees. There you go. You can see that pretty clearly, huh? They pretty. Holographic Christmas trees. Holographic green Christmas trees. Tree shape. All right. This is, that was called Holiday Who-Be What-E, I think. I think that's how you say that. Holiday Who-Be What-E. Okay. Let it snow. I'm guessing this is snowflakes. What do you Ooh! All over my counter. Look at that. Yes, they are snowflakes. They are overflowing snowflakes. Look at that. Here we go. I'll just pick these up. Beautiful holographic opalescent white snowflakes. Oh, those are beautiful. In this case, they way overfilled this jar. Okay. I'll have some extra snowflakes here then. All right, let's see. We have done 2 of them. Getting mixed up here. This is hollows. So holographic, I think wizard symbols from Harry Potter maybe? Is that what these are, wizard symbols? I don't know my Harry Potter. I'm embarrassed to say. I was not caught up in the Harry Potter craze. The way a lot of people were. And, this is, talk nautical to me. So this is either anchors or, yes, it's anchors. There we go. Aren't those cute? I don't know when I'll use this. Probably in one of those shipwreck tumblers or matching coasters to a shipwreck tumbler. I haven't made one of those tumblers yet, so I don't know. But I can see definitely a nautical summer beach type theme. That would be fun. Shark Week type theme. Here we have Jack the Pumpkin Kings. You can probably guess exactly what these are. And you'd be right. I don't really want to spill a whole bunch of them out here. There we go. You can see those on top. They are jack-o'-lanterns in orange, holographic glitter. Beautiful. Definitely use those coming up. In fact, maybe in the project we do with this stuff. Keep doing that first. Simply Sophisticated. And I thought this was a typo at first when I saw Sipley. I thought, where's the M? But then I realized these are cups, wine goblets. So sipping is actually, see that? It's a pun. It's not a typo, it's a pun. There we go. Champagne goblets or flutes or wine goblets. So that would be something for a cocktail related tumbler, of which there are many out there. Okay, so those are our shapes from the glitter guy. Thank you. I will link to everything below. They were having a sale, so I picked out some of the shapes because I think using shapes in coasters and sprinkled lightly on tumblers is a lot of fun. We'll just push our overabundance of snowflakes off to the side. And we have this from your glitter dealer. This is actually, I think, a surprise package, so I do not know what's in here. Let me get my scissors. I ordered this like a month ago, and it finally showed up. So I've pretty much forgotten everything about it, except that I ordered it. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, oh, actually, is this glitter or, I guess it is. Celebration, 1/24 inch cut. So that's a very bright, I guess these are neons. That's what they are. Neon 1/24 inch cut. Neon glitters. Come on, Eileen, that is green. Keep on loving you, clearly that is neon pink. Don't dream it's over, which is the blues, neon blue. On the dark side, well, let's see, would that be neon red, I guess? We've already done orange and pink. I guess this is neon red or neon magenta. And then we have white, which is Take Me Home Tonight. That is very pretty. All right, so we have some neon glitters to use. This was, or is, from Island Micas and More. I love the fact that they let you know it's a Halloween box. There's no question about that. I think you can still get these. I'll link below to Island Micas and More. Get that off. Okay, so let's start with the molds. This is a set of lips. I think it's Dracula. So yes, painting red mica or red chrome powder would be cool. And white for the teeth and the fangs. Very cool. Okay, this is the mold I was all excited about. I've been meaning to order this. So I think this may be the project we're going to do here. So you get yourself a coffin-shaped trinket box with lid. We'll have to try this out. That's really exciting. You can use, obviously you can use glitters. You can paint it with chrome powder or mica powder ahead of time. You can use alcohol inks. Use all sorts of stuff, so we'll have to try this out. And then in this bag, we get a beautiful organza bag and a scratch-off ticket, which I'm not going to do here because I think this is a discount code. What does it say? Expires 11/20/20. Please do not share code. Okay, so I won't scratch it off here. I'll save that for me. And then Island Micas and More always includes a resin piece with a magnet on the back as a gift inside her boxes and packages. And then we have some chromes. We have chrome light green, chrome orange, ooh. Black. Wow, that's so black it's silver. Wow, that is cool. Full moon white glow. Okay, so we have glow powder, chrome purple, and chrome red. So here we could use the chrome red for the lips. Wouldn't that be spiff? Maybe we'll do that too. All sorts of things. Okay, so those are my three boxes. That is Island Micas and More. And we have our beautiful neon glitters from your glitter dealer. So stay tuned for our project. Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to continue on with our Halloween style unboxing project based on some of the stuff that was in the boxes and packages we just did. They're just opened. So we're going to use the coffin mold, and in the coffin mold I'm going to pour some resin, obviously. I have sprinkled in preparation some beautiful black diamond blend glitter from SOC Glitters. I will link everything below that I mention here. Into the resin, once I pour it into the coffin and the coffin lid mold, I am going to not do some coffinish colors, whatever those might be. I decided instead I'm going to go a little peacock here. I have some brand new alcohol inks from Resin. So I'm going to use lavender and turquoise, and I'm also going to add some gold additive, let's see, gold color alcohol ink from Pinata brand. I have to shake that up before I use it. And I'm going to have extra resin. I'm mixing up approximately 8 ounces of resin. And I figure this is probably going to take about 3 ounces. I have an ounce each set aside for tumblers I'm working on. That's 5 ounces. I'll have 3 left, which will be a good amount to put in this mold here, one of our faceted edge round molds. And into that, I have already sprinkled in preparation the shapes from the glitter guy of Jack the Pumpkin King, as you can see, jack-o'-lanterns. And into this resin, those should stay on the bottom, which will become the top of the coaster, the jack-o'-lanterns. I'm going to add to it, I'm going to go with this theme, and I'm going to add orange from, this is Marabou alcohol ink, and Pinata Mantilla Black. And into both of these, for my white, I am taking a recommendation from Miriam with a Y. She has her channel called Miriam's Nature. I will link to it below, specifically the video in which she recommends this white. And this is Pinata Blanco Blanco mixed 1 part of the alcohol ink, the Pinata Blanco Blanco. The other part is an equal amount of 99% isopropyl alcohol. So it's an extremely diluted white is what it is. And she did a test with it and she showed some results, and apparently it's a good way to use Pinata white and get the effect of it for sinking the colors down into the resin, but without the blobbies afterwards, which we all know I don't like. I don't like the white blobbies. So we're going to go with her suggestion and see how that works out. So I'm going to get my gear on. I'm going to mix up the resin. I'm not going to talk anymore. You're just going to watch. I'll probably fast forward to keep it from being boring. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for the big reveal. Okay, we're back. It's the next morning. Let's do the big reveal. Okay, all right. What should we try first? Let's do the coaster. That's a one-off. Coffin is a little more complicated. So let's see how this turned out. It's kind of an interesting mix of orange and black on the back. Kinda. I don't dislike it. Of course, I love those faceted edges. Let's see what we got on the front. Ooh, that's cool. I was hoping a little more orange would come through. I don't see any white blobbies, so that makes me happy. Of course, I don't have my glasses on. Hang on a sec. I must say, I love how the jack-o'-lanterns look. They did indeed stay on the bottom from this being the top. So now they are there. I love that. I mean, it's pretty simple, but it is so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, let us move on. See how our coffin turned out. Let's do the lid first. Let's do the lid first. That's right, this has this lip. I don't think, I didn't say anything, but you must have seen me on the video. I hope you noticed that I took my metal stir stick, whoops, I took my metal stir stick that wouldn't scratch anything, and I tucked it all around under the lip of the mold to get out all the bubbles that were under there. That was a piece of advice I had read somewhere online for this particular mold. So I did that, and it's a good thing I did because there were a lot of bubbles. All right, that is kind of cool. It's sparkly, but I also like the clear. Let me see. I like that. I did put some rainbow marabou ink into this resin as well. So there are the ultra fine sparkles, and then there's the sparkle from the glitter, and then there's the metallic backing, basically. So that's pretty cool looking. All right, time for the actual coffin, folks. Now this will be the bottom of the coffin. So I think what I should have done, now that I've thought about it and see that the ink dripped down a little, and I also tried to encourage it to move down by going along and trying to push some of the color down. But I think what would have been better, and what I'll do next time, is I will put resin in the edges all the way around, drop ink in there, and then fill it up the rest of the way. So more color goes to what will become the top of the coffin. Okay, I'll stop talking and work on this. There we go. Oops, sorry. There we go. Ooh, look at that. That is cool. We seem to have lost all the purple, but see, again, this is the rainbow sparkle. You can see the sparkle all the way through because every drop of resin had rainbow sparkles in it from the marabou rainbow ink. I like this. The gold did nothing. Well, actually, that's not true either. Look, some of it came through. That is so cool. I love the sides, the wispies. You know me and wispies. I think that looks really neat. Let's see. It does. It not only sits on there, but it actually sits in place. I have read some reviews that said the lid slides around, but it doesn't. It is actually, it is in there. This lip here fits inside this edge, holds it in place. So it does indeed fit. Look at that. Oh, this makes me so happy. I love it. I absolutely love it. What do you think, folks? Have you used this coffin mold before? What are some good decorating ideas that I could try? Whoop. All right. I am really happy with how this turned out. Yay. Yay for coffins and jack-o'-lanterns. All right, folks. Thank you so much for joining me for this entire video. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.